Okay then, so you just took the SAT and you're probably extremely relieved. You're like, oh my gosh, finally over. But if you do plan on taking the SAT again, and if you've taken the SAT only once, I do recommend taking it again. It's not over, okay? The journey is not over, because what you want to do right now is you do want to relax, because I'm pretty sure you just studied a ton before this SAT came. Now that you've taken it, I want you to make sure that you relax, you take your time off. But once you get your scores back, I believe you guys, whoever took the August SAT that just was today, you should get your scores in 2 to 3 weeks, maybe max a month. Basically, by the end of September, you should get your scores, right? Once you get your scores, I want you to do one thing and one thing only. That is, look at your mistakes. Okay, obviously you can enjoy or rejoice if you got a nice score. But say you got a score that you didn't want, or if you got a score you did want but you want to improve, make sure to keep track of all the things you got wrong and actually study what you got wrong. Okay. So the SAT, they offer a question and answer service, and basically that allows you to get your actual SAT test back with all your answers, all your work, and you can physically see what you did wrong, where you went wrong in your work, what questions you got wrong, what you could have done better. So make sure you get that. I don't know if it's too late to get that now, or if you have to order that before you take the test, but if you're able to, make sure you get that, because with that you can really see what you got wrong, really see what your mistakes. Because ideally, if you are going to take the SAT again, right, like you just took the SAT today, and if you plan on taking it again, what you want to do is you don't want to waste your time restudying everything you just studied up to this exam, right? You want to only study the things that you are weak at, and maybe make sure you just reinforce here and there some of the things you've already studied. Like, make sure you don't forget your tricks that you learned. Make sure you don't forget the topics you've learned. Just add on to your knowledge base by keeping track of exactly what you got wrong. Write it down, divide it into subtopics like math, password to advanced mathematics, math, heart of algebra. You want to break it down like that. Same for English writing, English/writing. You want to break it down for that as well. And you basically just want to see all the mistakes you've made, and you want to study heavily on those topics. If you're able to pick out the exact topic, as in, for example, Khan Academy has a list of topics, right? If you're able to see, all right, this problem that I got wrong on math is dealing with rational exponents and rational expressions, right? Then you want to study that topic on Khan Academy. And the same thing goes with writing. If you see that the problems you got wrong were using semicolons or colons or within sentence punctuation, you want to study that exact topic on Khan Academy. And the only way you'll ever be able to see which exact topics you got wrong is if you study, or if you keep track of the mistakes that you got wrong on your SAT that you took today. So make sure you record the topics you got wrong, because that is the only way you'll be able to see what you're weak at and what you're strong at. And you always want to improve what you're weak at, so that way next time you take the SAT, you can greatly improve your score. The next SAT, for example, is in October, so I want you guys to be able to increase at least 100 points if possible on your next SAT that is in October. So make sure you get those topics that you got wrong down. Make sure you track them down. Make sure you write them down, and make sure you study the mess out of those topics. Okay, that is the only way you can improve your score starting now. So thanks for watching, guys. And peace.